Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have two prerequisites: a compatible Android device and a Hijri calendar app that supports widgets or overlay. First, check settings right arrow about phone for Android version and confirm lock screen customization is allowed. Then install a reputable Hijri calendar from the Play Store. Once done, open the app, grant calendar and overlay permissions, and add its widget to the home screen briefly so the app registers with the system. This prepares the app for lock screen integration and avoids permission. You now configure the widget for lock screen use. Open the Hijri app settings and select the date format, language, and calculation method to ensure accurate dates. Next, long press the lock screen or go to Settings, right arrow Wallpaper and Style, right arrow Lock Screen Widgets, then choose Add Widget and select the Hijri widget. If your Android requires an overlay, enable it inside the app and set opacity and size. Make sure refresh frequency is reasonable so the date updates at midnight without battery drain. You're finishing the setup. Lock the phone and verify the Hijri date appears correctly and is aligned. If it's missing, reopen settings and confirm app permissions and disable battery optimization for the Hijri app so the widget can update. If the widget still fails, switch to the app's overlay mode or try an alternate widget size. Once done, test at midnight or force a refresh inside the app to confirm the date rolls over. If problems persist, reinstall the app or try a different trusted Hijri provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.